started from scratch. When I hear that, I smile because I did not even have scratch when I started. I had to start from underground. I was a village girl surrounded by love. Life was very comfortable. I never thought that I will be in a situation to begin life once again. Not once, but many times. There was a season in life where I was completely alone. My two little girls holding my hands. No safety net, no roadmap. Just a new beginning. Before I could build from scratch, I had to dig my way up. I had to level the ground. And then, brick by brick, tear by tear, lesson by lesson, I rebuilt. Today, my two girls have grown up and built their beautiful lives on their own. For the first time in life, I'm here, purely doing something for myself. 25 days ago, I pressed post on this 108 days self-transformation dream of mine, sharing my lessons as an educator, a principal, and a mother. I did not even know even if a single person would watch. Today, we are on day 26 and we are 25 episodes in. If my journey has taught something so far, it is this. Your past is not where your story ends. Sometimes it is the exact place where your purpose quietly begins. To every single person who has watched, commented, or shared a minute of their lifetime with me, thank you. You're not watching a video anymore. You're walking this road with me. We have 83 days more to go. Tell me in the comments which part of the story is your story too. If this is your day one here, welcome. One day, one lesson, one better version of you. Until the next pearl, ponder, progress, and prosper with Pongal.